You've been ghosted in Germany. Your ABM in Spain? Total situationship. In France? It's complicated. If your current data partner only shows up for US leads, it might be time to see other people. Welcome to Data Vendor Evaluation Playbook number 5. We need better EMEA data. The playbook for choosing a provider who can actually deliver in Europe. Dating in EMEA? It's not the same as North America. The rules are stricter, the expectations are higher, and everyone speaks a different language. Literally. Multiple languages and job title formats, GDPR everywhere, patchy mobile number coverage, lower enrichment match rates, and rep hesitation from compliance concerns. Antoine Cornet, Cognizant's head of RevOps, says that you can't just copy-paste your US strategy into Europe. Germany isn't the UK, and France isn't the Netherlands. You need vendors that understand nuance. How do you know when your vendor's faking it in Europe? Start with your data. If you see patchy mobile number coverage by country, stale enrichment, or anglicized job titles, high bounce rates in France or Germany, or GDPR vibes instead of GDPR proof, it's time to take a break. You're not just looking for a global vendor, you're looking for one with local depth. Someone who knows the difference between a sales director and a Leiter Vertrieb. And if they can't show proof of GDPR compliance, that's a red flag. So here's what to look out for in a real EMEA-ready partner. Country-level match rates for your key territories, GDPR compliance with field-level metadata, localized job titles in French, German, Dutch, and more, over 60% mobile number coverage in sales and RevOps roles, bounce rate under 3% by country, and language tagging and segmentation fields. Because EMEA isn't just a region, it's your next revenue driver. Step 1, segment your ICP by region. The first step, stop treating EMEA like one place. Break your ICP down by UK and Ireland, Germany, Austria and Switzerland, France, Benelux, Nordics, and Southern Europe. Ask vendors for 1,000 contacts per region. Request fields in local language. And check, can they tell a marketing Leiter from a marketing director? Step 2, validate GDPR compliance. It's not enough to say, we're compliant. You need proof. Ask each vendor, how do you source mobile numbers in Germany? Do you provide last verified dates? Is consent tracked at the field level? And can you show a sample privacy notice or audit trail? If the answer is vague, they're not EMEA ready. Step 3, score for campaign readiness. Finally, test whether the data actually works. Ask yourself, can SDRs launch a call blitz in France or Germany with over 60% mobile coverage? Can marketing run localized sequences by language? And can RevOps segment by job level and department without a spreadsheet? If yes, you found someone campaign ready. Let's say you're a RevOps lead at a high-growth SaaS company, launching in DACH, UK, and the Netherlands. You need enrichment, net new volume, and GDPR peace of mind. Your ICP, company size 200 to 1,000. Personas, demand gen, RevOps, and marketing. Seniority, Director Plus. Regions, DACH, UK, and Benelux. So here's how you test. Step 1, enrich 500 known good contacts. Look for match rate, accuracy versus your CRM, freshness, and native job title retention. Step 2, request 1,000 net new contacts per region. Look for field fill rate, email, phone, title, bounce rate, language tags, and GDPR metadata. Step 3, score each vendor. Now map those results to your regional ICP. Who delivered in Germany? And who fell short in France? And most importantly, would your teams actually use this data tomorrow? Before you go exclusive, ask these questions first. Can you break down coverage by country and persona? How do you source and validate mobile numbers in Germany? Can you enrich local language job titles with seniority and department? Do you refresh EMEA data as often as US data? And can we review your privacy documentation with legal? If they pass that test, it might be time to DTR. Regional ICP match above 85%, mobile number coverage above 60%, email bounce rates less than 3%, native language job titles and segmentation, GDPR fields present and clear. Marketing and sales say, we trust this data. And finally, campaign time drops and pipeline goes up. To quote Antoine again, you shouldn't need a different playbook for Europe. The right vendor makes it feel like any other region. Connected, compliant, complete. So if you're struggling in EMEA, don't settle. Break up with patchy data and test across countries and personas. And choose a provider who knows Europe and proves it. Because if you're expanding across EMEA, you need more than just coverage. You need consistency, compliance, and chemistry. For more evaluation playbooks, visit the Data Vendor Hub or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Your next great data relationship might just be a few fields away.